Front line.
So guys, to get a nuke, you have to do 20 kills without dying. With gun only, you cannot use any score streaks like airstrike, beetle, Sam chopper, or anything like that. You can't use you for whenever I want to get a new and so I always use three perks in particular: hardline, vulture, and dead silence. These are the my three best perks. You can also use these ones, and you should always remember that you shouldn't really miss any of the snipes because you have limited amount of ammo in it. So that's about it, and you should get a nuke. These are all the rules to get one, and if you follow all these, you may get a nuke. You have to practice a lot to hit all your snipes if you want to do the trick I am doing right here. And if you don't want to do sniping or you want to do like ARs, you want to use ARs, SMGs, Zombie Gene, or something like that, I would always prefer fast ARs so that you can kill enemies quickly. Because you have limited time, like 50 kills, you have to do at least 20 of them. So that's about it, and I hope you get a nuke. Enjoy the game.
Cover me. All on standby. Ready. Friendly airstrike incoming. Warning, friendly nuke has been launched. Friendly nuke has been launched. Airstrike is ready.
Contact with enemy! Down, down! Need backup!
I'm hurt. Contact with enemy. Mission accomplished.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you get a nuke using this trick.